Hi, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create a FTP account and connect it through FileZilla. Log into your cPanel account using your login details and navigate to FTP account option and click on it. Here in the login field, enter your FTP account username. Next, mention the password. You can enter the password manually or use the password generator option and create a random password. Make sure to copy and save this password somewhere and tick the checkbox and click on Use Password. The next option is Directory. Here you have to mention the path that you want to access using the FTP account. It will show the default path. You can change the path based on your requirement. For the full file manager access, leave the box as empty. It will give access to the whole cPanel account. The next one is Quota. Here you can allocate the disk space limit in MP for your FTP account. Choose the unlimited option if you don't want to limit the space for the account. Finally, click on Create FTP account. Now the FTP account will be created for your cPanel. After that, you can see the created account in the below. There you will see the options to modify the FTP account. From that, click on Configure FTP account option. It will show the manual settings for the account. Using this, we can connect the FTP in FileZilla. Let's see the steps for FileZilla connection. First, open the FileZilla. Then copy the FTP server name from the manual settings and paste it here in the hostname field. Then copy the FTP username and paste it in the username field. And enter your password which you have saved while creating the FTP account. The last one is port number. Copy the port number and paste it here. And click on Quick Connect. Within few seconds, you will see the website files here. Next, you can upload the files on the folder or download the files from the folder using drag and drop method or double click the files. You can able to see all the files in the cPanel since we have not mentioned any path while creating the FTP account. If suppose we mentioned any path, then it will look like this. So we can able to access and manage the path that are only allocated, nothing more. Follow this method to create the FTP account and manage it easily in the FileZilla, either with the full access or particular path as per your wish. If this video helps you, please like, comment and don't forget to share. For more information videos, please subscribe our channel.